Should we see how long it takes us to field dress a door? Today's the 5th of July. We had a really bad storm blow through here last night, so we weren't able to blow this stuff up. I was really looking forward to it too. Hopefully tonight, but honestly the weather's not looking great tonight either. I'm gonna have to put these somewhere else and try to figure out what I'm gonna do today. I bought one of these rear view mirror. It's got cameras, so front facing camera and a rear facing camera. I have to install that, but I also need to get this door back on the car. That can wait. I should try to get this off of here, put it over there, and put the other door on here so I can work on it. Gotta replace this stuff. Let's take a look. This is falling apart. I can't have that. Yeah, I think this glass is gonna have to come out. I was hoping I could get away without doing that, but this has to get done. This is all really bad, which means pulling out this. Now I have all the run channel molding and everything to go in here because there's no way I could put this back on the car like this. There's no way. I wouldn't be able to do it. All right, so let's put that as a background project. So the issue with the rearview mirror is that I could put the thing up there, that's fine, and then I have to bring some wires down to this fuse panel here where I'm going to put some fuse taps in, I believe. I need to figure out what I'm going to do for the rear view camera. Ideally, I'd like to have the camera up here. I think it needs to hook into one of the wires for the reverse lights. So I would be coming up this way through there with another wire. I can definitely come across here like this and put the camera over here for now. That would work. Yeah, so not sure what I'm doing today, but we'll figure it out as we go. I'm having kind of an eye twitch moment here. Can't find parts I know I bought. Find some of the parts that I know I bought. This is terrible. My organization has completely failed. I'm going to have to, I'm going to take 2 of the totes that I have out there. I'm going to put old stuff in one and new stuff in the other. That doesn't help me right now because I'm kind of hosed at the moment. I bought new strikers. I have no idea where they are, so I'm going to put the old strikers on, and that'll at least prepare me for getting the doors in place. Yeah, I'm missing. I had pulled out one of those lights for the tail light for these bulbs here, and I can't find that. All right, let's, I guess, just try to keep moving. Try to keep installing stuff and keep the train moving. Just when I was about to turn my entire house upside down, I found them. And by the way, Fiddle Fart Fab makes really nice billet versions of these. I would recommend getting those if you can. Let me do the other side. As we know, perfect is the enemy of good, so I'm going to at least put one of these on. I'm going to try to, because there's a good chance that the screws just don't fit, and with the way my luck is going today, pretty much guaranteed that. I pulled one of these out to show you folks what was happening with this. Ouch! Why would I do that to myself? See, that's what I'm talking about. This is what I'm talking about. Screws are not gonna fit. Why do you give me these screws if they're not gonna fit? Hit those with some self-tappers, I guess. Some thicker self-tappers. Forget the screws on this. We'll just leave this hanging here for now, because I also have to find the other one of these. But let's move on to this. We're going to be installing doors soon, so we need to wire up the circuit breaker for the power windows. Basically how this works is when you try to roll the window up and it hits the top, it overloads this and this stops power going to it. It's my understanding, at least. I could be completely wrong. All right, so we're gonna have to grab power off of here for one side of this and then connect it to this side. Look at that. I guess we could put this up here. This will work. think we're good. Right, that ain't going nowhere. Where you going? Nowhere. Let's put you on first. The belt and the suspenders. Barely. Now we've took up the battery side of this. Let's see if that works. There's a circuit breaker there now. Hopefully the thing is gonna hold all this stuff up here like this, but we do probably have to just put this wrap back in. Just wrap this whole thing up like that and pull it a little closer. We'll do that before we put the fender on. To hook up the rearview mirror, we gotta catch some fuses here. This one is for battery always on. So fuse number 8, which is the courtesy dome. Now if this doesn't close, then we're kind of hosed here, but I think we're okay. It seems to be below the height of this. The red ignition key on. Use 5, 6. Let's use 6 for AC clutch. Which one is that? That would be this one. Oof, it's a little close. Can't use 6. Number 5 for the turn signals. All right, let's try that one. Now we can hopefully take this wiring. All right. Now I gotta see what I can do about a ground. I did have that grounding block over there. Maybe we can grab that. I have to try to get the hazard blinker to go in there correctly. I got the thing plugged in correctly in the back. Hazard lights are back, so that's good. Now, I have to worry about if this thing is even gonna close. I doubt anybody can even see what's happening here at this point, but I put a nutsert over here. So we should be able to grab this. Okay, that should be a good ground. Now the next thing we need to do is pull this up through here, and that's probably easier said than done. I think we want to keep this under here. Let's just test it, see if it turns on. Alright, as if we need any more stuff piling in underneath here. I'm going to coil this up around here. Come up this way. I taped this on and this works. Maybe I'll do something similar to that. Oh yeah. Oh, almost lost you. And we're gonna want this to come up this way, up into the headliner, where you won't be able to see it. Alright, now technically I have a rear view mirror, in name only. Should we try this out? Let's see what it does. I'm not sponsored. Not sponsored or anything, just, you know, cool, it's recording. Once you hook up the rear camera, it shows you that instead. Pretty cool. I don't know how useful this front camera is going to be for a rear view mirror. Kind of goofy if you ask me, but you know what? We'll see what happens. Alright, I have that all tucked away temporarily. This is all taped up here, so that's all well and good. I still We'll have to figure out how to put this rear camera in. Like I said, I'd prefer it to be up here, like this, so I can aim it down. Could also just put it right in the middle there, so when it closes, I can see. Maybe I'll do that. I have to get more interior trim in first before I do that, though. So rear view camera is gonna have to wait. I don't know, we'll mess with that thing some more later. Yeah, okay. I don't know where my buttons are for this. Whew, it doesn't even stay. This is gonna be a problem. I don't think we're gonna get a working glove compartment. But who cares, right? Okay, you could stay there if you want. It's gonna be a very rattly interior, I'll tell you that much. Okay, guess I could start working on this one now. All right, let's take a look at what we have to do here. The whole thing needs to be painted. Look at this. That's interesting. I really do need to do everything I did to that door to this one. A piece of metal, I found it for the other one. I guess it just rivets into place. Does not have the grounding strap like the other side did. I don't know if I want to do any more to this today. Original door. Should we see how long it takes us to field dress a door? All right, so we got that door done, and it's over here. We put on the circuit breaker for the windows. We got rear view mirror, fixed the hazard lights. I think that's pretty much it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to spend the last few minutes of today taking this apart. By the way, somebody got very angry with the door handle and it ripped. So I'm gonna have to try to repair this and possibly weld this back together. I don't feel confident in my ability to do so, but we're gonna try. Also, I'm not gonna clean this entire door up the way I did the other door. First of all, I'm not super happy with how it came out, but second of all, I don't really have time. I have to get this thing back on the road. Wow, that's tight. That's what she said. We cleaned up the other one, we could clean up this one and then not install it like we did this time. You know what, before I start hammering on this, I'm gonna get the glass out next week. And then with the glass out, I'm gonna strap this whole thing down to this table and then I'm gonna really beat the crap out of it. I didn't do that last time, but I think it's a good idea. So we'll do that this time. I forgot to pop that out. We'll do that first thing next week. All right. Thanks for watching. Drop me a like, say hi in the comments, and I will see you next time. Peace.